Hi guys, welcome to another video. If you just joined me, my name is Elizabeth, and in this channel I do cleaning motivation videos, a lot of cleaning motivation videos, and I do monthly grocery hauls. Like today I come to you with a grocery haul, the grocery that I always do. It's not much, it's a minimal grocery, so please join me on the haul. I do buy at Checkers or sometimes Shoprite. It depends where I am at that time, but mostly I buy at Checkers. Please join me and see how a village girl is coping. If you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads, especially the cleaning motivation videos. I love you so much, and let's get into the grocery haul. Firstly, let me come clean this grocery. I have sent someone to do it on my behalf. So this is the display of the grocery that I have bought. It does include meat, which is not here. It has been put somewhere. So in the meat we have chicken, we have beef, some mince, and we have ox liver. So I'll start by the man of the house. I think if you are an African, there is no way you are living without maize meal. So this maize meal is just a display. I've opened it already, put it in the bucket where it belongs. So I buy Ace 10 kg maize meal, and over here is the Koo beans, which are 4 in a pack. They are cheap when you buy them in a pack of 4 rather than one. And I have tuna, shredded tuna fish for the salad, macaroni salad. I bought three tins. My daughter really loves this salad. Then over here we have our vinegar. If you watch my laundry motivation videos, you should know by now that I use vinegar in my laundry, and I use it for cleaning. Sometimes when I run out of the multi-cleaning surfaces, multi-purpose cleaner that we buy, the fancy one, I use a mixture of vinegar and water to clean my surfaces. And sometimes I put it in my kettle. It gains that stuffy salt inside, so I use this thing. You will know what I mean, but this works magic to remove the salt in the kettle, and it also removes the salt in, you see this white stuff inside this thing. Yeah, I mean this thing. I use vinegar to remove this thing. Back to the haul. I have bell peppers, green, yellow, red, as usual. These ones I buy them every week. They spoil so quickly, so I finish them as quick as possible. And the bleach for stubborn stained substances, I use this thing. I always use it when I mop and in my dishes sometimes. Then I have tin fish. I don't really buy this big tin because I don't want it to left over. When I eat it once, that will be it. So this one is big. Like I said in the introduction, that I've sent someone to buy. When you send someone, this is what happens. We eat pilchards in tomato sauce or any other tin fish. Normally we were buying the right brand, the house brand tin fish, because it is always cheaper. So I have a black pepper to join some other spices there. This time I wanted to mix with a black pepper. Then the aromat refill, which is cheaper than when you buy with a container. I already have a container I'll be transferring
from here to the container. Then the Raja, I ran out of Raja, and this Raja is too small. I use Raja almost every day and almost everywhere where I cook, especially when I want to remove some odors in some other food. I use this thing. And right there we have bull brand corned meat. I do buy corned meat. In my list I said 3 tins, but I only see 2. You see, when you send people to do your daily jobs or your things that you have to do by yourself, this is what you get. We call it tin beef. This corned meat, what is this corned meat? Rerigi beef. So there are 2, but I'm not complaining because there are other things that we are going to exchange with. We have some bananas. These were too expensive. I don't normally buy the ones that we weigh. I buy the ones that are already packed, but thank you. We have beautiful bananas. Then always I buy Nola mayonnaise, the squeeze bottle. I'm avoiding someone will just come with a spoon of beetroot or spoon of something which is already contaminated with other food and dipping inside the bottle. So we buy the squeeze one. We buy 2 bottles because they are too small. And I use a lot, especially in the salad of tuna and potato salads. So sunflower seed oil, I prefer house brand. It doesn't smell bad. Other brands are very expensive. I always use sunflower oil from house brand. The apples I do buy top red at most, depending if they are available, but first choice is top red. They are always good. And I have pears, a pack of pears. I do love them. This helps me to carry my lunch box. Sometimes when I don't feel like eating a lot during the day, I just get my fruits, then with 2 slices of bread, I'll be good to go for the day. I am having here macaroni for my salad with tuna. I use this macaroni, but they're just plain. Oh my god, when you send people that, they will do the job. And we have Kellogg's noodles, chicken flavor. I only bought 1 packet which has got 5 packs in it. These ones, they are good to go when you are lazy to cook or you are hurry for something. You just 2 minutes noodles, you are good to go. Put some eggs on top. I do put eggs on top sometimes. Then for my cleaning, I use dishwashing liquid for my dishes. I use house brand. I like house brand. At most I buy it. Then for the surfaces, I like Pledge. This time I'm going to use the lavender fragrance. I'll see how it goes about. For the shoes, I have kiwi and it's a black polish. Then this one, Samp. If I can tell you the story behind this pack, I bought this pack. There was a Cremora in the grocery list. I cancelled it out. The reason why I cancelled that Cremora out, I want to see there's a video from my fellow YouTuber called Bogishi Sehata that I am waiting for. So you better post that video, my dear, because I'm waiting for the recipe of the samp. As soon as I see the video, I'm going to cook the samp from the recipe that she will be posting. Please, my dear, please post the video so that I can cook my samp. I will buy other things as soon as I see your video. Thank you very much. I am waiting. Then for my pot, I use Scora. This is 2 pieces inside. I think it's 3. As 3 pieces inside. They do last at least a little bit longer. I use them for the pots for the hard substances that doesn't want to go. Roll on. We use status, and any flavor is good to go, so we don't have a choice on the flavor. And the lags for bathing, bought 2. This one, I don't use this one for bathing. I use this one. Don't come for me. Sunlight is a multi-purpose cleaner. You can wash your clothes, you can wash your dishes, you can wash with it, you can bath with it, like everything. Believe me or not, back in the days, this was everything in their life. So even other people who doesn't like using the roll-on, the deodorant, they use the Sunlight. Go and do a research, you will see. So the snacks, they are already open. I do buy my kids these things because they don't require a refrigerator. They are good to go from the shelf to the stomach. These ones, they are already in the process of being eaten. They've been chowed forever. So I bought these ones and other things they've eaten, the toppers. I don't want anyone to rob another, so one will get one will get this. As you can see, when I say they are already in the process of being eaten, so only 3 left on this one. We have, they are in a pack of, there are 7 sweets, 2, 4, 6, there are 7 sweets in a pack. And I've got this lemon creams. My son likes them, doesn't like biscuits, but this ones, he opens, it has got a cream in between. He opens the biscuits apart, eats the cream. He will tell you, Mama, I want those biscuits. He calls them the biscuits that say ha. I don't know, but we understand. So coming to this one, the salt that I'm using, I use Lifestyle Food Himalayan crystal salt. It's a pink salt. This one I don't buy it. I only get it from Discount store. It's a pharmacy, Discount pharmacy. They sell groceries and it's a pharmacy. So I do get this salt from there. It lasts longer and it costs 30 rands. So yeah, this is the whole of the grocery. Like I said, it includes meat, but some items have been chopped out. I wonder why, but I'm not complaining because we don't eat a lot here. We don't really eat a lot. I don't normally cook like that, but I am happy with I'm having now. So yeah, if you like this kind of videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you like, give it a thumbs up, and let's pack the grocery to their places.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I bought this. I want to do dumpling, so I didn't want to buy the dough that is ready-made. So I wanted to do this. I want to mix it with some things inside. So when I try this thing, I will show you guys.
Horizon, turn us to thousands. On we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for joining me until this time. I love you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe, share this video, like this video, give it this so that it can reach a lot of people. We need to grow this channel, guys. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.
We'll go